Open enrollment is underway. The health insurance marketplace is not brand new anymore, but that doesn't mean it's any less confusing.
And yet, you still want to make the right choice. Certified application counselors can help you do that. It's a service from OneWorld Community Health Centers.
With us today, Emilia Tamayo and Teresa Chavez are here.
Hi, it's nice to meet you. Hi, Teresa.
You know, this can be confusing, so let's try to break this down, make it simple for everybody out there. What's a CAC?
A CAC stands for a Certified Application Counselor, so they are individuals that have gone through extensive training, about 20 to 40 hours of training, to get the certification to be able to help individuals apply for the marketplace.
So that's the help, and we'll talk about an event that they'll be at and where you can go and get specific about what's happening for you. How long is open enrollment? This period now, Teresa?
Open enrollment is going on right now. It started November 1st and is going through all the way to January 31st. One important thing that you need to keep in mind is that for people to have insurance beginning January 1st of 2016, they need to be enrolled by December 15th.
Right, that's a good point to make. And by January 1st, have to be enrolled by?
December 15th.
December 15th.
Yeah. Okay. So if you had insurance last year, why do you need to go through the process all over again this year? A lot of people will wonder, why can't I just check a box somewhere for 2016? How does that work?
Well, actually, I mean, if the information hasn't changed, you pretty much have to go through, the information is already saved there, so you just need to go through the application and make sure that click that box that says, okay, so everything is the same, and so that way you don't lose the tax credits from last year.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because if you don't, they're going to go by the same information from last year, and maybe your income has changed or something.
Or your health, right? Your medications might have changed. There might be all sorts of factors that play into that.
And the two of you are here to help make it easier for people, right? You're available. Do people need to make appointments to speak with you, or how does this work?
If they need appointments after hours, yes, they would need to give us a call. So 402-502-8888. Give us a call. We'd be happy to make an appointment after hours for you. But regular hours, Monday through Friday,
just swing
8 to
by.
5. Just swing on by. We're there and available.
That's awesome. No appointments needed during regular hours.
Yeah, we do take walk-ins, and we also make appointments. Although it's kind of hard to separate that specific time for the appointment, so we tell them that they may have to wait a little because we don't know how long we're going to take with the clients. But we try to honor the appointments that we make.
You have an event that's coming up, but before we talk specifically about what's happening on the 18th, if you are coming in or you're coming to the event to talk to a CAC, what kinds of information should you bring? Like different documents? What do you need to have with you so that you're able to enroll with a counselor?
It is important that if they have enrolled in the past, that they do bring in their login information. So your login ID and your password is super important. If you've done it, this makes things a lot easier. So, and then after that, if you've never done it before, bring in your income taxes of this year. We'll have all the information on there. If for whatever reason you're not a citizen, bring in your immigration status information. We're happy to get everything started for you.
What are you hearing from people out there? I mean, what are we in the second year of this?
Third year.
Third year.
Yeah.
So and people are still somewhat confused, but are you hearing from people that they're starting to figure out this open enrollment process, or a lot of people still need help?
Well, it has become a little easier to navigate the website, but it's still kind of confusing. I mean, overall, health insurance is confusing,
A lot of options.
There's a lot of options.
And there's a lot of stress about getting it right, frankly, because of, like financially, and what if something happens with my health? Am I going to be covered well? So you have all of those concerns going in, and so I think that's why it's important to sit and talk to someone who has been through and you understand the ins and outs of the marketplace so that you can help resolve some of those concerns. But we've said it, you've got this event coming on the 18th. You expect to have a lot of people come through your doors to get help. What are you going to offer that day?
We hope to have tons of people. It's going to be super exciting. We're going to have, first and foremost, we're there to help enroll individuals in the marketplace. But outside of that, we're going to have authentic tamales there. So
stop it.
Come on in.
Right,
And you
tamales.
can sample authentic tamales. But first and foremost, our goal is to get everyone enrolled, get everybody in the marketplace.
Get them in. Go ahead.
And you don't have to worry about if you didn't bring all the documentations that you need. We can get you started. We can start you by, if you don't have an email address, we can create an email for you, create an account, and then if if during the application process they need something, a question you cannot answer, we can always stop there, and then we can always come back another day, so we can reschedule you. So we want you to come in on the 18th,
Yeah.
and this-
regardless.
like you said, it's on the 18th, but don't think the 18th is a long ways away. I mean, we're already here on the 13th in November, so it's just coming up Wednesday, so you do have to get prepared and plan on next Wednesday.
So maybe get a couple of those documents in order, or just go and sort of sift through this process again, reacquaint yourself with this idea of open enrollment from 3 to 6 o'clock. And this is at the OneWorld Community Health Center on South 30th Street. But we know now they have several locations in our area. So we've talked on the show about the clinics and the different services and programs that are available. And you can learn more about everything online. It's oneworldomaha.org. But 45 years now of making a difference and continuing to find ways to do it. Thank you both for joining us.
Thanks for coming in. Yeah,
We
Emilia,
appreciate
Sure
it.
would have been nice if you'd have brought some tamales.
Well,
Next time,
I was
right
going to
here.
say, it sure would be nice if you would smile next time, because you are a ray of sunshine walking in here, Amelia.
Tamales
Teresa,
would
great
have
to have
gone
you.
great with coffee. Coffee from